Y'all need to
It's
calm
not
down.
your goddamn car. Oh my God. It was a mistake. Let's be real. All you had to do was call me. I didn't call you.
Sit back in your car.
You don't want to sit up and talk about this. You don't got to f***
Relax.
I know what you're saying. Your turn. Stop fucking you.
On February 25th, 2024, a DUI crash investigation ended in 3 criminal charges.
Hey, how's it going? Is that your car? We were just helping out, or?
Yeah. She called me, said she had 2 flat. Well, she told me she had a flat tire.
Okay.
So she sent me her location, so I came, pulled up.
Okay. Are you dad? Okay. Do you know her?
Yeah, we were at the restaurant just a minute ago together.
Okay. Where's the driver at? Is that her? Why is she in the passenger seat? What did she hit?
Look like it.
Hello.
You can see the tire marks.
I'm the driver.
Look like.
Yeah, I was going to say I'm the driver. I'm just waiting on 8. On my double AA to.
Okay.
That's literally
What'd you hit?
the
Look like
curve.
she hit the curve. You can see
The
tire
roundabout.
marks still.
Excuse me, sir. I hit the roundabout on Sarish.
Okay,
On Sarish, I hit the roundabout. Hello. Calling my mom. She's so mad at me. But
Yeah.
I'm the driver.
Okay, I got you. Do you mind just coming out of the car and talking?
Oh, yeah.
Why are you sitting in the passenger
Because
seat?
my mom is calling me. I'm so stressed out. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm the driver. So it's
Okay.
like, I can talk to you, but...
Yeah, do you mind just... I'll tell you what, why don't we... Since we're kind of in the middle of the road right now, why don't you just come talk to me on the
Yes,
sidewalk?
Mom. I'm trying.
640, yes, ma'am. Can you roll me one more?
Excuse me, police. I cannot...
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have to get out. I can use my name, my number,
Yeah,
but I'm
just
so
because
annoyed.
right now we're on the side of the road, and I don't want you to get, I don't want somebody to hit us.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah,
right
so why don't we just get out and we'll walk over to the curb where it's safe.
here.
And if you got your driver's license with you,
I
I'm gonna
do.
need that as well.
Okay, so I can...
All right.
It's freaking annoying.
Let's walk this way.
Honestly, in like real trouble.
Well, we just,
Even if I'm not in trouble, like getting pulled, like this is my first time actually, like, you could put my name, but I'm nervous because this is my first time getting pulled over by the police.
Okay.
On some real stuff. Like, I'm an entrepreneur, but
Yeah.
she's Louise, like, I'm nervous.
Okay, so just tell me how like the crash happened.
I crashed right here on the median.
Okay. And where were you coming from?
Literally from South Adams Street.
You were coming from South Adams
Yes,
Street.
sir.
Do you remember the name of the business that you were at?
No, sir.
Okay.
I was just literally passing through, and I seen the light right here. I hit the medium. I'm not gonna lie to you, and that's all.
All right.
So I hit the medium, and yeah, that's how I knew I was in trouble.
You all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Why don't you just have a seat for me?
I will, but
Yeah.
my stomach is hurting. I'm on my cycle. My tampon is honestly, I'm gonna be honestly where my tampon is in the car.
Okay.
I'm-
Okay. I got you. But
So
listen.
no other. I have no other.
Hold
but,
on.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Gardner, we can't have you go into the vehicle right now because we're in the middle of the road.
No, I just need to grab my tampon. That's
Okay.
literally all. I'm not
Where
saying
is
I need
it?
to in the driver's seat.
In the
Or,
driver.
yes, I need to grab my.
All right.
my
Well, let me
tampon.
just turn off your car first, okay?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Hold on. Let me just go in there and turn it off. Miss Garner, hold on. You're not listening to me.
Sorry.
Let me just turn off the car, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and grab what you need to grab.
Have you gone on the piece of records or anything yet?
No, not yet. All right.
Hello.
So apparently she was just driving to hit the curb and somehow ended up.
Yes, sir.
over
Like
here.
I told the other officer right here, I did hit the median, and that's what caused my tire to flatten.
Okay.
Well, it looks like you toasted it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It went completely
Yeah, I
over.
would say right here. On
I gotta make a phone call real quick. If you can just stay simple.
The suspect's mother arrived at the scene, causing tensions to escalate.
For it. It's a tire.
Ma'am, y'all need to
It's
calm
not
down.
your goddamn car. Oh my God. Mom, it's your tire.
Go ahead.
It was a mistake. Let's be real.
All you had to do was call me.
I did.
Hey.
What are you talking about? I
Let's go.
didn't call you.
Sit back in your car. Sit back in your car now.
Why did you come over here with that?
And try my
Why did you come over here with that? You starting a whole disturbance. This stuff can be replaced.
Stop.
Hey,
She going the wrong way, and she.
it happens, but here's the
She
deal. This can be
wasn't going
replaced.
the wrong way. She hit the curve, and you can still see the tire marks where she spun out.
That's what she doing.
I mean, I don't know. She called me and told me she flattened the tire, so I pulled up.
Don't be drinking.
So what's your relationship with her? You know her? He said she called you?
I mean, I met her a week ago.
So she called you?
Yeah, we was at brunch.
She didn't call me.
We
I
was
called
just
her.
at
She telling me
brunch.
I got a flat
She
tire,
told me she got a
mama.
flat tire and told me she needs some help.
Okay.
So I told her to send me the location. So she sent me the location.
The
I
car is
pulled
registered
up.
to you or to her?
My husband, he coming. He told me.
Is she the sole operator of the vehicle?
No, he.
So who operates the car?
No.
My husband.
I don't know.
My husband.
Today she was the only person.
She was. She
Oh,
asked
she
me.
told you that?
I mean, I know. She was with me at the brunch.
Oh, okay.
She asked me because you was gone. I told her 2 hours. Be back by 4:30. This up. This all I got. She done threw it like that.
Everybody,
Okay.
I'm going to position my car. If you could just stay
Yeah,
things
absolutely.
out, and then
Absolutely.
we can just send buyer over, or you can stay in the window while I do it.
Okay.
Ma, you don't gotta do all that. We're pulling off after this. You doing the mouth. I'm the one putting pictures of all this.
Hey,
You the one sitting up here talking all this. You don't gotta f*** all this.
Relax.
I'm the one putting this shit. Your turn. Don't fucking you. Don't you. I'm the one telling you, bro.
Get yourself
Ma'am, can you take her away from here?
Take her ass to jail. She dropped.
Here, I swear to God, it's always something. I'm telling her, it's not you. The f you sit up here trying to, bro. That's my mama, but bro, you weren't even there.
No. Stop.
I'm doing my goddamn shit. I've been told this goddamn phone with everything. You done tore my goddamn shit. Go.
Ma, you.
Here, if you just hold it, I'll put my car over there. She's back on.
Can I get my?
this your
This
phone?
my Crocs. Yes, sir. That's my mama. You're the f drunk. You haven't been there for me all my life. You're a fiend. Never been nothing to me. You sit up here trying to make it seem like this and that. I never had my mama.
You stay right here. I'll put
I never. I'm sorry. Oh, mommy issues 101. This lady has never been there for me, bro.
It sounds like she provided a car for you and you ruined that opportunity.
This is my mama, but bro, I never. This is.
Just so you know, the crash
it's
starts
not that.
way back.
Way back there.
All the way where you saw me.
What else was it?
No property damage.
No property damage, just to that?
Just curb. I mean, but it's fresh black mark on curbs. And you can follow the tire tracks perfectly to where it's at now.
Okay.
Yeah, she hit the curb way back. You see like the flag sign? Way back over there is where shit started.
She must have went straight, didn't even go around the roundabout.
So you can see where her tire busted over there and started dragging.
Yes, ma'am. And
So,
yes, sir. I did.
You hit the curb way back there.
I did. And that's what I said. I hit the medium.
Let's
Yes,
get
sir.
you in my car, all right?
Yes, sir. I've never been to jail. This is so new.
Well,
This
I know
is
she's got the
your
custody.
actions in front of the law enforcement is,
because
Get
my
you in there every
mama,
time.
like, you don't understand.
I get that,
My
but
mama
again,
never been there for me. Sit up here.
All right. Do you have anything on you before?
No, sir.
Do you have any pockets or anything like that?
No, sir.
All right. Is there anything on you that I need to know about before we go to the jail that you're not supposed to have with you?
I wasn't in jail. Wait, 1 second. Wait. I have no record. Why am I going to jail? Wait.
Do you have anything on you that I need to know about before we go to jail? You're obviously wearing a dress like there's no pockets.
Wait. Well, why am I going to jail? I've never been to jail. Why am I going to jail?
We'll explain that in just a minute. DUI and resisting.
I probably
Whatever y'all want to do. But definitely DUI.
Yeah, put your feet and I'll talk to you, okay?
Definitely resisting. We pulled back up multiple times. Continue to progress at us. Hits
Try
mom.
to engage into it.
Disobeyed lawful commands.
get
And then once
mad.
we
Like,
picked her up, she continued to pull away from us and over. And, yeah.
can you get this up in my mouth?
Miss Gardner, let me get you to relax for 1 second. I understand that.
I know what's going on.
We're trying to tell
Why
you.
am I in the back of a police?
Are you going to calm down so we can tell you and explain it to you?
Can you please get my mama, please?
No,
Yes, I will
no.
calm down. Please get my mama.
Negative. We can't do
Please
that.
get my mama, please. I promise.
All right, so here's the deal. Did you want him to reread your rights to you or no? Okay, so that we're going to take that as a no, so we can't explain
I don't
it.
know what's going on. I've never been arrested
Miss Gardner,
before.
we're trying to explain it
I
to you.
don't know what's going on.
Miss Gardner.
You keep saying that, but you're not listening. Now, either you're going to listen and let us explain it to you, and we can get down to the bottom of it so we can go ahead and move on, okay? We can't move on if you keep doing that back and forth. So let him read it again. You going to listen? He's going to read it again.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go. Listen.
I can't breathe.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can't breathe. I really don't about this. I can't breathe. I just want my mama.
Miss Gardner, can you hear me?
I've never been arrested.
All right. We're going to take that as a no.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Are you gonna listen?
Here it is. Here it is. We're going to read it to you, okay?
Okay.
Listen.
You have the,
Okay.
Miss Gardner, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights or not answer any questions or make any statement.
You understand your rights?
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
That's a yes or no, Ms. Gardner. Do you understand your rights?
Do you understand these rights?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
I really don't know, y'all.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
And I'm not. I just need my mama. Just to go to the window, please.
Negative.
I've been arrested. I'm not refusing it.
I get it. That's why we're trying to explain it to you because you've never been arrested.
I
trying to
just
explain
want my
to you.
mama.
But listen.
You can get my. I don't care about my rights. Get my mama. She right there. I swear to God, you're right there. There's no right. I don't know. That's right.
We go out the window.
Tell your dad.
We window up.
Yeah.
Is this her phone?
Yeah, that's her.
Let me get her purse for you real
Let
quick.
me get it.
Give me the phone.
Let me get it.
Give me the phone.
No, hold on.
Hey,
Y'all can't just come say y'all can get property at this point. So, if she says it's okay, then that's fine.
Listen, can your parents take your phone?
Hang right now.
Okay, just calm down now.
Just calm down, baby. Just calm down.
Okay, we gonna come get you.
She has her ID to go through jail.
Okay, just be calm, baby.
We come to get you.
Come to get you, be calm.
Hush, we come to
Just be
get
calm.
you.
We're gonna get you, be calm.
Okay,
Okay.
it's fine.
We're gonna come get you, baby. Be calm.
Calm down.
Give me a phone. Give me.
They gonna team it?
She has to.
No, that's fine.
Do you
We
like
come to get you.
you have to? They won't clear you at the hospital.
That's fine.
We coming to get you.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. This analysis examines the constitutional framework that governed every stage of that encounter. The post-crash investigation carries full Fourth Amendment authority. Physical evidence alone, skid marks, a destroyed tire, and median damage independently justifies a DUI inquiry. It does not require prior observation of impaired driving. The officer's request to exit the vehicle is grounded in Pennsylvania v. Mims. 1977, the Supreme Court held that ordering a vehicle occupant to exit during a lawful encounter is a de minimis liberty intrusion outweighed by officer safety. At 1 minute 51 seconds into the footage, a voice near the scene says verbatim, "Can you roll me one more?" This is common vernacular for rolling a cannabis cigarette. Cannabis impairment constitutes a separate DUI offense in most jurisdictions, driving under the influence of drugs, and provides an independent probable cause basis, alongside the crash behavior already documented at the scene. DUI probable cause does not require witnessing impaired driving. Under Illinois v. Gates, courts apply a totality of circumstances standard. No single factor need be conclusive. 4 independent indicators converge in this investigation. First, a loss of control crash. Second, behavioral indicators disorganized speech and divided attention, consistent with NHTSA pre-screening criteria for impairment. Third, overheard audio suggesting recent drug use. Fourth, a social context consistent with prior consumption. Combined, these 4 indicators reach the probable cause threshold a court would recognize. The critical gap in this record is the absence of documented field sobriety testing. The 3 NHTSA-validated tests, horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand, provide objective, court-recognized impairment indicators. Their absence from the Bodycam record creates a vulnerability that defense counsel will identify at the preliminary hearing. The resisting officer charge is legally tethered to the lawfulness of the underlying arrest. If the DUI arrest survives probable cause review, the charge stands. If the DUI arrest fails, the resisting charge collapses with it. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, officer response is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not in hindsight. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires 4 advisements before any custodial interrogation: the right to silence, the right to counsel, the right to appointed counsel, and the right to stop questioning at any time. The subject was in custody, secured in a locked patrol vehicle. Officers administered the advisement twice. The subject's responses, "I don't know and I don't care about my rights," are analyzed under Berghuis v. Thompkins, 2010. The Supreme Court held that invocation of the right to silence must be unambiguous. "I don't care about my rights" is not an invocation. Under Colorado v. Spring, 1987, Miranda requires only the opportunity to understand the rights, not full comprehension of all consequences. Any post-advisement statement is almost certainly admissible. The primary officer receives a B+. Consistent de-escalation, appropriate procedural accommodation, and sound Miranda compliance throughout. The grade falls short of A- for one reason: no documented field sobriety test on the available Bodycam record, a gap that creates a direct vulnerability at the probable cause hearing. The subject receives a C+. Early cooperation was legally advisable. Verbal resistance during the arrest produced a resisting charge that compliance would have prevented. Fear is understandable. It is not a legal defense to obstruction. The mother receives a C-. Disregarding lawful officer commands meets the definitional elements of obstruction in most jurisdictions. Non-arrest reflects officer discretion, not absence of legal basis. Her eventual calming of the subject was the single most effective de-escalation action of the encounter. It does not erase the disruption that preceded it. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, document field sobriety testing on camera, without exception. An undocumented test is a courtroom vulnerability that survives the arrest. Second, compliance costs nothing and preserves everything. Verbal resistance transforms a single charge into multiple charges. Third, bystanders who disobey lawful commands at an active scene risk criminal exposure for themselves and complicate outcomes for the person they came to help. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.